shit, they fight. Oh shit, they fight. Hey, 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 that's enough. Hey, quit. Hey, stop it, y'all. Stop kicking him. Stop kicking him. You fucking hear me? Stop. I'm gonna choke you the fuck out if you don't stop.
Okay.
Get over against the fucking fence now.
Come over this.
Get over there.
Come the police.
What? I can't understand. No. You can't get. What are you fighting for?
Police.
Okay, what do you want?
No. Come the police. No.
Got towels or something?
Come the police, man. Come the police. No.
Looks like he come over top of this culvert, busted all this stuff there. They come off right there. I believe the cause of it is that driver and his passenger fighting, because my guy just had to pull the passenger out of the truck. They were fist fighting and they're knocking each other out. I believe that was your cause.